Time now for Money Matters Nashville, and Wes Wood, president of Wood Financial Group, is here. You know, there's a lot of preparations that you need to make when you're planning for retirement, and you actually have a fantastic book out. It's called Surviving Retirement, and in it you talk about RMDs, required minimum distributions. Tell us, Wes, first what an RMD is.
Yeah, RMD, required minimum distribution, is something the IRS forces you to do with your tax-deferred accounts, your IRA, your 401k, your 403b. When you get to age 73 years old, the government's going to force you to take a distribution every year for as long as you live. And of course, that distribution is a taxable event. So if you have those accounts that are still tax deferring, you're going to be paying taxes on your RMDs.
All right. What are some specific tax investment strategies with RMDs that people need to know about?
Yeah, so think about it as it's additional income showing up on your tax return. So are there things that you can do outside of the RMD income to reduce your taxes, therefore save you a lot of money? Also, another great tool that can be used if you give money to churches or charities, consider a QCD, a qualified charitable distribution. So what you can do is take a portion or all of that RMD, send it directly to your church or your charity, and you don't have to pay taxes on it. Because if you're giving the way you're probably giving now, you may not be getting a deduction because of the high standard deduction. So QCDs is something very valuable. And lastly, should you have done or should you consider Roth conversions? Because there's no RMDs when it comes to Roth accounts.
All right, it's important to have knowledge of all of these strategies that he was just talking about. You've mapped it out in your simple book that you have here. It's available today, right?
Yeah, we've had a lot of interest, especially on this tax section, because this is really what we're talking about. But all these strategies are discussed in this book. But we also advise not only take these strategies, but also implement them.
All right, and you can get it by visiting moneymattersnashville.com. Good to see you again, Wes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.